Good morning, student. Now it's time for your science class, and I will be continuing with the chapter 3 birds. Look at the book. We will be doing feet and claws. The feet and claws of birds help them to hold their food. Birds have 2 feet and each foot has 3 to 4 toes. Look at the picture. This is the bird's feet, and how many toes they have? They have 3 to 4 toes. The feet also help the birds to move around. Praying birds. Now different birds have different types of claws. Now let's look to it. Praying birds. Birds which feed on flesh are called praying birds. Examples are eagle, vulture and kite. These birds have very sharp and curved claws called talons. They have 3 toes in the front and 1 at the back. They use their toes to catch prey such as rats. So praying birds, they have very sharp and curved claws which are called talons, which have they have 3 toes in the front and 1 at the back. This type of claws helps them to catch their prey such as rats. Now perching birds. Birds like crows, sparrows and pigeons use their toes to hold the branches of trees firmly. Look at the toes of the sparrow. So they have the crows, sparrows, pigeons, they have such type of toes which help them to hold the branches of trees very tightly. This is known as perching. They have 3 toes. Look at, they have 3 toes in the front and 1 at the back. Scratching birds. These are some birds. There are some birds like hens and peacocks which use their toes for digging or scratching the ground. Look at the toes of a hen. Such a type of toes. They have such type of toes which helps them to dig or scratch the ground. They have 3 long toes in front. These 3 long toes in the front and a short toe at the back which is placed slightly higher. So this back toes, it is slightly higher than the front 3 toes. Hens have thin feet and very sharp claws. They have very thin feet and have sharp claws. Climbing birds. Birds like woodpeckers and parrots have 2 toes in front and 2 at the back. Look at the picture. They have 2 in front and 2 at the back. Such toes help these birds in climbing the trees. Look at the toes of woodpecker. Such toes help these birds in climbing trees and holding on to branches. So this type of toes, 2 at the front and 2 at the back, it helps them to climb the trees and hold on to the branches. Aquatic birds. Birds like swans and ducks have webbed feet. The 3 toes in front are joined by skin called web. Look at the feet of a swan and the feet of a duck. They have the 3 toes. It is just like this. The 3 toes, they are joined by skin called web. This is called web. The web feet help the duck and the swan. They help in swimming. Wading birds. Birds like herons and flamingos can walk in shallow water. This is called wading. They have long legs. Look at the picture. They have long legs. They have long legs. And their toes are spread out. Let's just look at the picture. Their toes are spread out. This prevents their toes from sinking in the mud. As they have their toes spreading out and they can walk in the shallow water, this helps them to prevent from sinking in the mud. Running birds. Birds like ostriches are good runners. They have long and strong legs. Look at the picture of the toes of an ostrich. They have very long and strong toes and they are very good runners. They have only 1 toes with cushion pads underneath. Cushion underneath means below their toes they have just a cushion, very soft thing like pad. It helps the birds move comfortably on sand. Next day we will be continuing more with the chapter 3. Thank you.